Hi, I'm Neil from Maaten. If you're tired of campaign data that makes no sense across platforms, reports that take longer to create than the campaigns themselves, or feeling like you're optimizing blindly, then this is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how Maaten transforms that chaotic campaign data into structured insights that actually drive better decisions. So let's dive in. Here's what we see every day. Marketing teams running campaigns across Meta, Google, TikTok, and other platforms, but each platform handles campaign setup, the naming conventions, and the measurement are completely different. So the result here is that you can't compare performance across channels. The attribution becomes guesswork, and your teams spend more time wrestling with spreadsheets than actually optimizing their campaigns. Maaten fixes this with our proprietary campaign ID. So when you set up a campaign, let's say on Meta, every single decision you make gets captured in a structured ID. So if you choose awareness as your objective, it's tracked. So this really means that when you're running similar campaigns across Google and TikTok, you can actually compare what works and where. No more guessing, no more manual reconciliation. Now, as you go down the journey of setting up the campaign, you select max reach, for example. That also gets captured. Manual placement strategy also gets recorded. And if you look at this ID here as an example, brand name, brand XYZ, campaign meta C, and then there's this seemingly random unique number. It contains all your campaign setup decisions in a structured format. That's what it allows you to do. We also go deeper. So the same structure applies to your audiences and creative assets. So your young professionals audience gets the same treatment across all platforms. So you can finally answer questions like, does your young professional targeting work better on Meta or Google, or both? Then you have the creative. Every visual element, the messaging theme, even the sentiment gets analyzed and structured. So you're no more wondering which creative drove performance. Now you can actually have a more macro view of your creative performance. So our ID is really what makes Maaten so powerful. It covers over 50 metadata points, from demographic, geographic data to psychological positioning to your category entry points, all really important stuff to understand. And then the structured data doesn't just sit in isolation, right? It flows through your entire measurement ecosystem. So if you have your own marketing mix models, attribution, measurement, incrementality, any advanced analytics, you're able to now provide clean input data that helps your sophisticated tools actually work properly downstream. Our AI also analyzes every creative asset, and this is an important point. So colors, text placement, sentiment, brand elements, and categorizes them for both short-term optimization and long-term brand building, another really important point of distinction. You can cluster creatives by theme, analyzing what drives performance, and build proper creative categories for marketing mix modeling and your incrementality testing. The result of this is being able to categorize creative. Being able to do that allows you to analyze the uplift on sales, leads, or even brand share of search, because we know that brand share of search is an indicator for market share. So from a client's perspective, they're getting 3x to 10x improvements in campaign performance. Not because we're changing your creative or targeting, but rather because you can finally see what's actually working and you're able to optimize based on real insights instead of that guesswork. So we've seen reporting time cut in half, at least, eliminating those endless Excel spreadsheets and making decisions based on structured data now actually makes a lot more sense. So if you're ready to transform your campaign chaos into structured insights that actually drive real results, happy to chat. Please book a demo on our website or set up a call with the person that shared this video with you. I'll show exactly how Maaten works with your specific campaigns and measurement setup that you've got. So thanks for watching. Look forward to showing you what structured campaign data can do for your team.